So here's a small case study that Enigma's done, again, just because we like doing data for good in our spare time. We did a small case study about labor trafficking, so a little bit different from sex trafficking. Human trafficking for labor is a massive problem in the US. It was one of the most, labor trafficking, especially as it relates to the agriculture industry, was one of the most popular ways that people were suspected of being trafficked in 2014 to 2015. And so at Enigma, the way we were able to link data is by linking some public data around agriculture visa applications and connecting it to a database or a data set about like recruiters that have been debarred for potentially suspicious behaviors as it relates to agriculture visas and labor. And the way that this work is impactful for financial institutions or law enforcement agencies is because the data is public, right? You can look at a list of folks who've been debarred for weird behaviors, and banks can make sure they're not, conducting business with folks who are probably on these lists. And they can also do a little bit more around like geolocation of data and see if there are other areas that are like potentially vulnerable that they may not have known about before. So here's an example of a map that you could create. So this is just two linked data sets. You have 2017 H-2A visas, which are labor visas, and you have it joined onto a map with debarred recruiters. So just by looking at this on a surface level, you can see where there are these pockets of, a large number of visas, but also a large number of folks who've been debarred, right? So if these areas aren't already on someone's radar, this might be a good way to just like initially surface the data and be able to drill down to whatever you think might be suspicious.